In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with your website. Whether you're new to HubSpot or you've been using it for a while, this guide will help you smoothly connect your website with HubSpot's powerful tools, enhancing your digital marketing strategy and improving your online presence. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the HubSpot trial guide. If you haven't already, sign in to your HubSpot account, or you can create a new account if you're new. This step will direct you to the HubSpot dashboard, a user-friendly interface where you manage all aspects of your HubSpot activities. Now that you're logged in, you should see a gear icon labeled Settings on the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on this. Within Settings, you'll find a section called Content. This section allows you to manage, publish, and review various content pieces across your website. HubSpot makes it easy to centralize your content management, ensuring you maintain consistency across all of your platforms. Next, look for Domains and URLs. It should be under the website settings on your left sidebar. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage the domains that are associated with your HubSpot account. Here, you'll be able to make changes to your existing domains and connect new ones, ensuring they align with your HubSpot tools and strategies. Now, the key step, click on Connect a Domain. This action will initiate the process of linking your website's domain with HubSpot. HubSpot will guide you through the process, offering clear instructions to ensure the integration is successful. This involves setting up DNS records, which may require some adjustments on your web hosting provider's site. It is essential to have access to your domain registrar or hosting account during this step, because you'll be prompted to add or update DNS records to confirm ownership of your domain. HubSpot will provide the necessary DNS information that you need to enter into your domain provider's settings. While this may sound a bit technical, HubSpot's instructions are straightforward, and your domain registrar's support team can assist you if you encounter any issues. Remember, once you've connected your domain, it might take some time for the changes to take effect due to DNS propagation. This is a normal part of the process, so don't worry if your changes don't appear immediately. Once this setup is complete, HubSpot will automatically synchronize and provide you with access to its suite of marketing tools on your website. This setup not only enhances your website's capabilities, but also centralizes all your marketing efforts, allowing for better management and analysis. And that's it! You've successfully integrated HubSpot with your website. This connection will empower you to leverage HubSpot's robust features, streamline your marketing efforts, and maximize your growth potential. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing!